everyone. Soglang tumka dev bari san जावन येता. Today, as we are inaugurating the access to this beautiful Shapara Fort, we have in our midst Most Honorable Minister for Archaeology, Sir Subhash Phaldesai, our Secretary, Bab Prasad, our Director, Bab Nilesh, our local ward member, Bab Suren, our ex-Sarpanch and present ward member, Bhai Pratima, आमचे ex-Sarpanch, Bhai Govekar, आमचो engineer of PWD, JE, Bab Sandeep, आमचे ex-ward member from here, Bhai Sheetal, आमचे दोगोई कोमिंदाचे officials, Bab President Dominic, आणि attorney Bab Sebi, आमचो Bab Mr. Okay, Bab Gill, who has been doing this work for from 2016, 17, yeah. So and press media and so my dear friends, all the staff of archaeology department present here, the police. So I really thank Sir Subhash Phaldesai. I think this is the second time. पहिले एक पावटी येयल्लो ताणें inspection केल्ले, and now the access to this place is finally over. Inaugurate आमी करपाक आसली, पूण ताजें काम सोंपता म्हणल्यार code of conduct लागलो. So we couldn't inaugurate at that time. आनी आतां म्हणलें assemblyचे पहिले inauguration करुया आनी सर सुभाषान आपलो मोलादीक टाइम काढून हांगा येयल्या म्हणून देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. पहिले म्हणटा रियली बिग थँक यू टू बाब डॉमिनिक आणि बाब सेबी and his entire committee members of Komindad. This place belongs to the Komindad of Anjuna. So त्यांची NOC नासली जाल्यार जावचेच नासले. आणि आमच्या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ आर्किओलॉजी who are always there under the able leadership of Subhash Phaldesai and our CM to see to the preservation of all our forts. And sir, तुका एकूच request करता, access road जालो, but the main thing is our fort has to be preserved. ते पत्रादेवीचे व्हडले फातर सर, व्हडले म्हणल्यार big आहाय, आणि it's in a bad state आणि फातोरूच पडटा चोकला, and we don't want any calamity. हांव असेंब्लीक हे सांगता की फोर्ट रिस्टोर करपाचो गरज आहा, आणि हांव आय एम शुअर विथ योर हेल्प एंड विथ द हेल्प ऑफ CM आमकां सेंटर आगवाद आमचो फोर्ट कहो मेंटेन केला, आय मीन रिफर्बिश केला विथ सेंट्रल फंड सर. सो होच आमकां आमच्या सेंट्रल मिनिस्टरा कडेन पासून वचून फंड्स हाडून हो परतो प्रिजर्व करूंक. आय थिंक ड्युरिंग माय टर्म एज अ MLA and your term as a minister, it will be full circle where we also cover up the access as well as the fort. So I am sure with your blessings and with your keen interest to look after all the work under you, not only archaeology department, I have seen the interest what you take in taking forward all the work of all the departments under you. I'm sure my Shapara fort will get ready. आणि परते डॉमिनिक आणि बाब सेबी आणि तुझे टीमिक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आणि हेच आमचे another request, we together with the panchayat can do something about this access, you know, the thing. आमचे इतले आताच बोलल्यार 10 मिनिटांनीच कितले ट्युरिस्ट हांगा येतात, बट दॅट एक्सेस आमी तांकां कितें तरी बरें करून दिल्यार तांकां स्टॉलां ते प्लास्टीक खंयच्या खंय लायल्यात, डजंट लूक नायस when we are talking about international tourism. You know, this access road is become so beautiful. So if we can even beautify that, you know, to give them some stalls and put them in order, to make this place look more beautiful. I thank the press, everyone for coming. आणि तुम्ही म्हाका दिसता तेन्ना तू जेई आहलो आमचो बाब संदीपाक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तेज्या एस्टिमेट केले आनी सगळे तेज्या अंडर एंड आय विश यू ही इज गोइंग टू बी एई सून. आणि थँक यू वन्स अगेन बाब आमचो गिल फ्रॉम 2017 टील डेट इतली वर्सां लागली पूण इट सॉ द इनॉग्रेशन सॉ द लाइट ऑफ द डे. Thank you. Thanks to all the press. God bless. Thank you.